This is where the road starts and where the ordinary ends. Welcome to Voxx Wheels, built with purpose, driven by people. From head-turning fitments for domestic muscle to precision designs made for today's electric platforms and styles ready to take a beating off the pavement. If it rolls, we're ready for it. Because this isn't about simply selling wheels. It's about giving drivers a reason to look back at their vehicle every time they park it. It's about confidence at the counter, power in the catalog, and product that speaks for itself. Every finish, every spoke, every load rating. Backed by a team that shows up, follows through, and pushes harder than the competition ever will. So the only question left is, are you ready to run with us? Voxx Wheels, lead the drive.